Welcome! In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot in Google Chrome browser on an Android device. This method will work for most Android devices. So the first thing you'll have to do is find a web page that you want to take a screenshot of. For example, let's take a screenshot of a bunch of cat photos. To take a screenshot, you'll have to press power button along with the volume up key or a volume down key, depending on which device you use. I'm using Google Pixel 8, so for me it will be power button with volume down. And once I press these two buttons together, the screenshot is taken. You can of course change it on most devices, and to save it, press save, and the screenshot will go straight to your gallery. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.